Everyone's talking about AI, but few know how to turn it into real cash. And the truth is, in 2026, ChatGPT is one of the biggest money-making tools ever created. You don't need to be a programmer. You don't need fancy equipment. All you need is your laptop, an internet connection, and the right strategy. In this video, I'm going to show you how people are making up $10,000 per month using ChatGPT in 2026. We'll cover freelancing, automation, content systems, and AI-based businesses that actually pay. Not theory. Welcome back to the Digital Moneymaker. Let's unlock your next income stream. Section 1. Why ChatGPT is still king in 2026. Even though hundreds of AI tools came out, ChatGPT remains at the center of everything. It's not just a chatbot anymore. It's a digital brain for business automation. In 2026, most creators use ChatGPT for writing full blog posts and video scripts, creating marketing content, automating client work, generating entire product ideas. But the real power? It's in using ChatGPT as a business engine, not just for chatting. Let's look at how smart people are turning ChatGPT prompts into paychecks. Section 2. Freelancing with ChatGPT. Freelancing with ChatGPT is one of the easiest ways to start earning fast. Here's how people are doing it. Copywriting. ChatGPT can write product descriptions, ads, and social media posts. You just edit and deliver. Clients pay $50, $200 per project. YouTube script writing. Every YouTube creator needs scripts. ChatGPT writes full SEO optimized scripts. Gives you charge $100. Script gives, deliver 5 a week gives $2,000 a month. Email marketing. Use prompts like write a 5-day email sequence for an online course, sell to coaches and businesses. All of this can be done from your laptop with zero investment. Section 3. ChatGPT plus automation systems. Here's where things get advanced. Combine ChatGPT with tools like Zapier for automation, Notion, AI Airtable for client organization, Canva, plus PATRE for visuals and video scripts. Example workflow. Client sends a topic. ChatGPT creates the script. Canva. Pictory builds visuals. Zapier delivers results automatically. You just manage the system. That's how people are earning $5,000 to $10,000 a month with 90% automation. Section 4. AI content agencies. In 2026, AI content agency is the new gold rush. Here's how it works. Create a small team using ChatGPT for script writing plus design plus video creation. Offer monthly packages like 10 YouTube scripts, $320 blog posts, $500. Full AI content bundle gives $1,000 plus. Clients don't care if AI helps. They just want fast, quality results. Section 5. Real earning models. Let's break down a few examples. Example 1. James, a freelancer from the US, built a 3-person ChatGPT agency. Gives writes, scripts, edits, with Pictory. Earns $7,200 a month. Example 2. Maya, a student in India, offers AI content rewriting gigs. Makes $3,000 a month on Fiverr. Example 3. Leo runs ChatGPT-based automation for clients. $1 a month recurring. The point is simple. You don't need to be a genius. You need a system. Section 6. Building your ChatGPT income system. So now you know, ChatGPT just a chatbot. It's a money printer if used smartly. Let's design your full earning system from scratch. Step. Pick your niche. Choose one clear service. Script writing, blog creation, copywriting, marketing, content, email campaigns. Don't try to do everything. One focused niche equals faster clients plus higher income. Step. Create prompt templates. Save your best prompts in a Notion file. Example. Write a 3-minute YouTube script about topic in engaging, storytelling tone with a CTA at the end. Each prompt becomes a product you can reuse. Step. Offer packages. Starter gives 1 script equals $50. Growth gives 4 scripts equals $180. Pro gives 10 scripts equals $400 offer. Monthly retainers, so clients stick long term. Section 7. Finding clients fast. Fiverr Upwork search AI copywriter or YouTube scriptwriter. Use ChatGPT-powered writing in your gig title. Show samples with polished formatting and clear CTA. LinkedIn gives post a carousel. I generated 10 viral YouTube scripts in 1 hour using ChatGPT. Here's how. People will DM you instantly. Reddit, Facebook groups gives drop valuable tips, then softly plug your service. No spam, just value first. Twitter/X 2026 gives use threads like, I made $1,000 this week using ChatGPT. Here's the workflow. Section 8. How to deliver like a pro. Professional delivery equals repeat business. Always format output, nicely bold headlines, bullet points, export as PDF or Google Doc. Add a custom cover page with your logo, Canva. Send with a thank you note and invite them to upgrade to a monthly plan. Pro tip. Include 1 bonus paragraph or CTA in every project. Small over-delivery builds loyalty. Section 9. Passive income streams. Once your freelance site is steady, start adding autopilot cash flow. Gumroad, Etsy, sell ChatGPT. Prompt packs for specific industries: real estate, health, courses, ebooks. Teach how to start ChatGPT service. In 2026, affiliate marketing promote ChatGPT plus Jasper or AI writing tools. Passive commission every month. Passive income grows while freelancing pays daily bills. Section 10. Automating with ChatGPT plus Zapier. Want real freedom? Automate your pipeline. Client fills Google form, gives topic plus keywords. Zapier sends data, gives ChatGPT generates text. Result auto send to your Drive folder. Zapier emails client. Your content is ready. This 3-step loop runs while you sleep. Section 11. Building your personal brand in 2026. Personal branding equals leverage. Logo plus consistent banner. AI content expert. Short bio. Helping businesses scale using ChatGPT automation. Post 3 per week, sharing insights, tips, and results. The goal is authority plus visibility gives people trust your expertise, gives premium clients. Section 12. Client management system. Use Notion, Trello, or ClickUp to manage all projects. Each client gets name plus package, deadlines, prompt used, delivery status. Looks pro and keeps you organized. Section 13. Scaling to $10 K month. Once you have proof of results, gives start scaling. Hire 1 to 2 writers, gives train them to use your prompt templates. Use ChatGPT to check grammar and consistency. You manage clients. Gives team handles production. Within those 3 months, you can handle 20 clients easily, reaching $8 K. $10 K. Month recurring. Section 1 for bonus prompts pack. Use these for quick projects. You're a senior marketing copywriter. Write a persuasive ad for product. Create a 1,000-word blog about topic optimized for SEO 2026. Generate 10 viral YouTube titles about niche. Write a cold email sequence to sell service. Summarize this 5-minute video into bullet points for Instagram carousel. Save these and reuse them for clients equals unlimited content supply. Section 15. Building global clients by AB Freelancing. Surf local level pay Matzo. In 2026, ChatGPT creators are working with global clients in the US, UK, UAE, and Europe without ever leaving home. Here's how. Use Fiverr plus Upwork international gigs. Tag location as worldwide. LinkedIn outreach. Search for marketing manager or content creator gives. Send a short message. Hey, I use ChatGPT automation to create viral content in half the time. Want a sample for free? Offer value. Build trust. Get clients who paying $. Pro tip. Accept payments in USD using Payoneer or Wise. Easy, fast, global. Section 16 high-income systems using ChatGPT. When you've mastered client work, it's time to level up into system-based income. Model 1. White Label AI Service. Offer content to agencies gives they resell under their brand. You deliver quietly and earn fixed recurring income. Example: 5 agencies times $400 month equals $2,000 passive. Model to ChatGPT consulting calls. Offer one-on-one strategy calls gives learn my $5,000 month. ChatGPT setup. Each call equals $100, $200. Do 5-week gives $800 plus monthly for just advice. Section 17. Creating your own digital product. Now you're ready to sell knowledge, not just services. Step 1. Create a mini course. Give SOIMA $10,000 month using ChatGPT in 2026. Step 2. Use ChatGPT itself to write your lessons, titles, and scripts. Step 3. Record on Canva Pictory. Gives publish on Gumroad, Payhip, or YouTube memberships. $49 200 students equals $9,800. That's almost $1,000 from one product. Section 18. Affiliate marketing system. Affiliate plus ChatGPT equals passive money machine. Steps. Find tools with affiliate programs, Jasper, Notion, Pictory, Canva, etc. Ask ChatGPT to write affiliate review scripts or blog posts. Post them on your YouTube or website with affiliate links. Earn commission every time someone signs up. Example prompt. Write a 2-minute YouTube script reviewing Pictory, including call to action to click affiliate link below. Top creators are making $2,000 for K month just from ChatGPT. Affiliate videos. Section 19. Automated content agency. 1 to 10 year income. Turn your ChatGPT freelancing into a full AI content agency. Step by step. Hire 2 people. Gives 1 for scripts, 1 for visuals. Canva Pic. Create a brand site gives AI Content Studio 2026. Offer monthly plans. 10 videos. Month equals $500. 20 videos. Month equals $900. Full automation equals $1,500. Once set, this runs on autopilot. Clients come via referrals plus social proof. Section 20. Building trust and authority. You're not just selling words, you're selling expertise. Post every success. Client made $10,000 views using my AI script. Record short videos. How I use ChatGPT to create 5 client projects daily. Offer free guides gives builds trust, plus gets you email subscribers. Remember, authority equals premium pricing. Section 21. Your 2026 daily routine. Here's how top earners run their ChatGPT business. Morning 8 to 11 a.m. gives script generation plus client work. Afternoon 1 to 4 p.m. gives marketing, outreach, building prompt packs. Evening 7:10 p.m. gives learning new tools, affiliate content, or course building. 3 focused blocks equals productivity plus consistency plus freedom. Section 22. The secret mindset. AI tools come and go, but winners keep one rule. Don't chase trends. Build systems. You don't need new AI every week. Just perfect your one. ChatGPT. Earning machine until it pays you automatically. In 2026, the people winning online are not those with fancy skills, but those with smart workflows. Section 23. Client retention strategy. By Nayi Clients Lana Zerori. Hi, Leakin. Purain clients, Ko Rakna. Obi profitable. Hota High. EK. Loyal client. Equals steady income. Always over-deliver. Job 2. DS scripts K orderly. 11th free D monthly check-ins. Ask, hey, how did last month's content perform? Special loyalty offers. 10% off renewal or bonus script pack for repeat buyers. Remember, happy clients bring new clients automatically. Free marketing. Section 2 for build your repeat client funnel. Create a simple but powerful repeat system. Deliver project to gives include next month, offer PDF. Use email automation, gives send reminder after 25 days. Use ChatGPT to write personalized messages like, "Hey name, loved working on your last project. Want to book next month's slot?" This small system keeps your calendar full without chasing clients. Section 2.5. Reinvesting your profits. Matsohe Sab Paisa Kark Kardu. Pro creators invest back in their business. 40% savings or reinvestment. Ads, upgrades, new tools. 30% team and automation tools. 20% marketing promos. Paid reach. 10% gives personal spending. Buy tools like Pictory, Jasper, Zapier, and Canva Pro. The long-term assets, Hain, expenses. Nah. Section 26. Adding a team, solo creators, entrepreneur. Banakatay Magaya. Start small. Hire one virtual assistant for admin work, one script editor, one designer, Canva pick. Train them with your prompts. ChatGPT, CSOps. Lihua, create a step-by-step guideline for my YouTube content process. Now your business works, even when you're offline. Section 2.7. Personal brand plus trust engine. Your name equals your brand. In 2026, branding Hisab Kuchai. Use the same logo, banner and name everywhere: YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn. Post consistent content. Show how you help people earn using it. Collect testimonials, use Canva templates. Share results, screenshots, client growth stories. People buy from people they trust. Section 2.8. Build your website. It's 2026, bro. If you want to look serious, you need a website, tools, card, Framer, Notion, or WordPress. Include these 4 sections. About you, services/packages, contact form, testimonials, simple, clean, pro equals clients will instantly trust you. Section 29. Expand into multiple streams. Now that your ChatGPT business is stable, diversify. Affiliate marketing, review AI tools, plus earn commission. Digital courses teach others your system. Prompt packs/templates sell on go. YouTube automation channels. AI-made videos. With your scripts, multiple income streams equals long-term financial freedom. Section 30. The 6-figure roadmap. Here's your blueprint to hit $100,000 plus in 2026. Month goal action. Genmar learn and build system setup offers plus clients. APR Gen scale hire team plus automation. Jewel Sape diversify ad. Affiliate plus courses. Octec brand website plus ads. Plus collabs, keep tracking monthly revenue and refine your workflow. Consistency beats everything. Section 31. Mindset of winners. Every top earner has this mindset. AI doesn't replace you. It upgrades you. People who master ChatGPT are not competing with humans. They're running systems that work 24/7. Stay curious. Stay sharp. Learn new tools, but always refine your main process. Section 32. Final message. Bye. If you've watched till here, you already know more than 99% of creators out there. AB action. Lena Baki. Hi. Start small. Stay consistent. Build your ChatGPT business empire in 2026. Remember, I won't make you rich. Your execution will. You got this, King. Let's make 2026 your biggest digital success year ever.